Unique to Triga Max is our ability to curve the crossbars and the graphic rails. This kit that we're going to build for you now is a 3-meter Triga Max, what we call a wave wall. So it'll be a convex curve, concave, and then a convex again. So we're going to unpack the hardware. Remember to reference your data pack, which is found in every Triga Max kit bag. That's your data pack there. There's a schematic of the kit that you're going to build on the front, and on the reverse side, your bill of materials or parts list. It's double-sided, that's why. Don't worry about it. Right, so what we've done is we've laid out our hardware more or less in the pattern or the layout that's on the data pack or the technical drawing. We're going to very importantly start building from the bottom up. So we're going to lock in the bottom uprights, lock in the bottom crossbars so that we don't have the wall falling over, that we've got stability before we go to height. Now that we've got the bottom system locked in, we start putting in the top poles. If you look at the bottom of the system, you can see that the wave is starting to take shape. Alphonse is busy fitting the graphic rails for the print. Once we've assembled the bottom, we're going to grab a step and then do the same to the top. The structure that we're building here is made for a double-sided print. We're going to set up double-sided hardware but only fit one face of the print so that you can see both sides of the system, how the hardware works and what the effect is with the print fitted. While I'm finishing up the bottom, Alfonso's going to grab a small step ladder and start constructing the top. You can see we're almost there. Beautiful wave taking shape. While Alfonso's fitting those last parts, just going to get the print ready. Right, so that's the last of the hardware setup. The system's ready to receive a print. We're going to fit the print on the front side only, although the system is set up to take 2 prints, front and back. Right, now we're going to fit the print. So we want to find the top of the print. It's always helpful, especially with Triga Max or fitting at height, to work with 2 people. So one person fits the plastic webbing into the graphic rail at the top, while the other person assists by feeding the print through. So we've got the top of the print there, and then I will just take over from this side. Try to keep the print off the floor. A nice little trick when you're building on site, as you see as Alfonso's done, when you get to each segment, there's the pointy bit of the graphic rail. It's a very convenient spot to hook the print on while you shift your ladder across so that the print doesn't unravel itself. And while Alphonse finishes that off, we can start the bottom here, tucking the print into the bottom channel. And as we go along, just activate the tensioners. And the way to do that when you've got a print is just feel for the button, push it through the print, and that'll activate the spring, which tensions the print in a downward position. And that, folks, is a Triga Max wave wall, where we've got a concave section, convex and concave. It really gives you a different dimension to flat 2D prints.